Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start writing your book in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to have this writing desk, and then you can purchase this item from Catching. I'm going to go to the map, and you need to find Catching. Okay, you need to track her and then open her store, and then you'll be able to buy the writing desk from her. And after that, you're going to go to your backpack and then place this writing desk at your house. And I've already placed this item in my room. Okay, and you can click on this icon to start writing. I've already written a book and I've published the book. Wait, let me show you. Okay, but this is just a trial. I didn't write real book. Okay, if you want to create your book or write your own book, you can click on this plus icon and then you can enter the book title. I'm going to name it My Diary like this, and then click on create, and then you can start writing here. You can enter the chapter and then enter the chapter content. You can also add picture from your album, okay, just like this. And this is for the setting, okay, and this is the preview. And yeah, just like that. If you want to publish it, just click on this publish icon, and you need to have the permission. And I got the permission from Mrs. Joan at the Central Island. I mean the Central Square. Okay guys, and that's how you can start writing your books in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.